In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge taxes on your Shopify store using an easy and effective method. We'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure that you're all set up to manage taxes efficiently. Whether you're just starting your online store or looking to refine your retail strategy, this tutorial can be a valuable resource. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your Shopify account and head over to your store's dashboard. This is essentially your command center where you'll manage all aspects of your online store. It's a good idea to get familiar with this space since it's where nearly everything you'll do with your Shopify store starts. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify store, direct your attention over to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Products. This section is crucial because it's where you have access to all the items you're selling. Here you can set prices, manage inventory, and more importantly for today, handle tax settings for each product. Next, hit the Products tab and you will see a list of all your items. For demonstration purposes, find the item named Example Shirt 2. Simply click on it to bring up the product-specific settings page. If you're going through this for the first time, it'll give you a clear picture of how each individual product can be managed on Shopify, which is invaluable for maintaining control over your store. On this page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Charge Tax on this product. You'll want to check this box. Doing this ensures that taxes are applied to this particular product upon sale, which is essential for compliance if you're operating in regions where tax collection is required. After you've ensured that taxes will be charged on your product, take a look at the Cost per Item section. This area is where you input the cost of the product to you. Entering this information is not mandatory for charging taxes, but can be very helpful for internal tracking and analytics about your profit margins. Having accurate cost data enables you to make more informed pricing decisions and understand the financial health of your business. And there you have it, a straightforward method to set up tax collection on your Shopify store. Remember, keeping up with tax settings is crucial not just for compliance, but also for ensuring your business remains profitable. Regularly revisiting these settings as your inventory and tax obligations change will ensure that you're always up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Shopify tutorials for more helpful insights.